In this video, we'll talk about Python logical operators. This is very common. We have seen this in our logical design subject of computer science in all other programming languages as well. What is this logical operators? In Python, we have three main logical operators. That is AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator. So this is same as AND, logical AND, this is logical OR, and this is negation of logic, negation logic. Yes, we'll see everything one by one. I'll take a variable I and will assign with a boolean type of value. I'll say true, and I'll take J and will assign with false. Now let's evaluate these two using a print statement. Okay, when I say I and J and execute this, it gives me false, because we know that AND will give you true only when both I and J are true, right? This is a universal truth. What if I make it as true? Save it and execute it. Now we have true. So this is logical AND is true when I and J are true. Okay, we'll revert it to false. So this is about logical AND. Now we'll see what is logical OR. I or J. Save it, run it. Now here value is true. As you know, the logical OR is true for all the scenarios except when I and J both are false. For example, in this scenario, I is true, J is false. So one of them is true, hence the result is true. If both I and J are false, or logical OR results in false. Let's see that. If I make both the values as false and false and run it, then this is false. So this is about logical OR. So the key point here is false when I and J are false. This is equals to logical OR. Okay. Now what about logical NOT? So what is NOT? NOT is negation of something, which means the opposite. If it is true, if the input or the evaluated input is true to a negation logic, then it will give you the false, something like this. Print. Okay, print. Now I value is false, we know it. Let's try to print this. Let me comment this in order to avoid the confusion. Execute it. Now I'm printing only value I is false. Okay, now if I type not, okay, and enclose this value, save it. Now ideally the original value of I is false, and I'm executing it again. Now as I'm using logical NOT, it reverses, it gives the opposite answer. Means if it is false, then it negates and it will give you the value true. That's about the logical operators that are available in Python. Thanks for watching.